Alright, in this video we're going to apply some vocabulary to this polynomial. For example, standard form. We need to rewrite this polynomial in standard form, and that means with the highest degree term first. So this is fourth degree, third degree. The constant is a 0 degree. So we will rewrite this with the negative 3x to the fourth power term first, and then comes the plus 8x to the third power second, and then finally the plus 7 constant term. So that's standard form. Now the leading coefficient. In standard form, the leading coefficient is the number right in the front. So the leading coefficient is negative 3. Alright, what about the constant? Well, the constant term is the one with no variable on it. So that's going to be 7. Alright, so now we're supposed to do some naming. Naming by degree. Again, like this had degree 4. The degree, remember, is the highest exponent. Okay, so let's play around with that and make a chart. Alright, so here's a chart with on the one side we're going to have degree, and on the other side we're going to have the name. So if the degree is 0, I'll color code all these. If the degree is 0, that is called a constant. Alright, if the degree is 1, that is linear. If the degree is 2, that is called quadratic. If the degree is 3, that's called cubic. If the degree is 4, that's called quartic. And last but not least, out of colors, so I'm going to go back to this. If the degree is 5, that is called quintic. Okay, so you need to memorize this list. So this is how you name according to the degree. So this is degree 4, so we just decided that that is quartic. So we're definitely going to mention the word quartic. In fact, I don't know why I was trying to squeeze. I thought I was going to put both names here, but we have the other kind of naming coming over there. So I can spread out quartic. Boom. Now, the number of terms. Alright, there are words for that. Okay, so let's make another chart. Okay, number of terms. And then we're going to have the name. So, if there is only one term, that is called a monomial. If there are two terms, that is called a binomial. If there are three terms, that is a trinomial. That's where we run out of special names. 4 or more, we just say polynomial. Now, really, polynomial is an umbrella term. So, in truth, all of these are polynomials. Why am I putting an A in there? A monomial is a really short polynomial. A binomial is a polynomial with two terms. So technically all of these are polynomials. Okay, just binomial is more specific than polynomial. But after 3 terms, you just there's nothing more specific, so we just say polynomial. Okay, so let's see. So how many terms did we have here? We have 1, 2, 3 terms, so we call that a trinomial.